Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Let's rock. Let's rock, let's rock. Boom, boom. Let me tweet this and then we are ready to rock and roll. Live. Spy, QQQ. Whoops. Hold on, everybody. Tweet you and send now. Let's do this. Good morning, everybody. Who we got here? Good morning, Eric, David, Dylan, Joseph, David, a different David, Yasmin, Jonah, Martha, B-Cart, William, Weapon, Morrison, Dev, Juan, Alejandro, I think it's Cato, William, Danny, David, Douglas, Ralph, Slime, Song Sang 88. Good morning, everybody. Yes, IWM was money yesterday. If you guys were able to catch that with me live in Team Bull, that was a beautiful trade. So remember, we talked about IWM going into the market open yesterday. I really liked it because of this daily bull flag right here. We just go ahead and delete all that. Got this daily bull flag right here, meaning more than likely a continuation to the upside. Boom. So here's our bull flag right here. Price was able to break above, therefore we're bullish. And then a little later in the day, it ended up forming a 5-minute bull flag right here. And we were able to snipe this and catch a beautiful move into the new high day. Absolutely beautiful. If you guys caught it with me, plus we talked about it in the live stream yesterday. So hopefully you guys caught it. But I mean, IWM was pretty much the main trade yesterday. Took a little SPY scalp. Honestly, pretty much was like lunch money on that trade. So nothing crazy. Literally stopped me out and then ripped. A little bit of FOMO on that one. Just a little bit. But it's okay. It's a new day. Today's FOMC. We got market opportunity coming our way. Let me check the economic calendar, see what else we got going on today. But the plan is pretty simple with FOMC. We also have PPI at 8:30. So the plan is pretty simple. Trade for the first hour. If the market doesn't present any opportunity, I walk away and come back at 1:45, ready to trade FOMC. I'd rather preserve my capital, mental capacity, and then wait for real opportunity in the market if the market doesn't offer anything this morning. Just got the book. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. So, like, pulled the bottom of my pec at the gym today. It hurt so bad. Anyways, yeah, we got PPI here in 23 minutes. Let's start finding our levels and then we'll go from there. So as always, if you guys could, make sure to smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Remember, 200 likes if you guys want that watch list. But with ES, we got a nice 1 hour squeeze, holding the 1 hour 21 EMA. If I'm going to watch for a bounce, it's probably going to be right around here. We do have some 1 hour demand plus the 1 hour 21 EMA with a squeeze. So I will be watching that. And then it kind of looks like we're holding a fib here. Yeah, the 50% fib right there. So if price is able to break above 44.28, yes, I can put the link to the book in the chat. If price is able to break above 44.28, I have a good feeling that this squeeze is going to fire up. But again, we have PPI, so we gotta be a little cautious about that. But boom, there's the link to the book if you guys want to check it out. 450 pages of just straight fire education. Definitely make sure to check it out. But let's start zooming out. Let's see if we can find a better. Where's my 2 hour? There it is. Yeah, so we got 2 hour demand right here. Could be a possible area. We'll just mark it for the time being. Whoops. Right there. just market could blow right through it on PPI. Turn them in. Boom. Alrighty. And then, I mean, as far as bounces, right now, personally not liking any bounces as far as ES. Might be able to find some on SPY. One area I do like is the previous high if we actually are able to get down there, but that's a pretty large move. Previous high. Showing a right. We'll just keep it white. There we go. Previous high. Let's zoom out and see if there's any other resistance areas. What are we trading at? 442. I mean, there's daily supply at 4440. Could be a potential area to watch. But as far as support and resistance, there's support. We're trading above it. Let's see. Area right there at 4,500. I mean, if I'm going to watch supply, it's going to be at the beginning of this. Daily supply. The beginning of it, that's where I'm going to watch for a reject. But as far as fibs, I don't believe we have any. Sorry, something blowing up my phone. Actually, we're right at the 70.7. There we go. Okay. All other fibs are off the table. 70.7. We're trading right at it. Gonna be interested to see how we react. And again, if you guys could, make sure to smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 210 people in here and only 58 likes. Remember, if you guys want that watch list today, you gotta run up them likes. Gotta run it up. Takes 10 seconds. But yeah, the 70.7 and then the 1 hour squeeze. That's what I like most. I'm sure we can find a good bounce on SPY. We head back on over there. Boom. Nice 1 hour squeeze. Pivot high, pivot low. 441.34 is going to be my main reject on SPY if we actually get up there. This is our previous 52-week high. Previous high. Boom. I also want to take a quick look. I'm actually going to be watching Rivian. Actually really liking this setup. If we go to the daily, shoulder, head, shoulder. Plus it has a nice daily gap at that neckline. So this would be something to keep your eye on going into the future. If we crack 1593, we can scalp it up to 1696. So definitely keep an eye on that. I mean, if we could come down to 431.73, I'd be interested for a bounce. And let's see, is there any basic resistance and support levels up here? The 461, like 13 to 15 area. Right there. All right, so 436.34 was that previous resistance, but other than that, really not seeing much over there. Besides the daily supply on ES, and then we have all the way up here at 443.7. So, I mean, that's pretty much it as far as resistance points. We're kind of running out of them on SPY. So I think the main thing to do is watch these squeezes today, and if we can get over that high for the continuation into 441.34. Obviously we want to watch for 440. So let's mark that 440. Boom. Cool. That's everything on SPY for the time being. Let's take a look at NQ, see what we got going on over there. Looks like we double topped right up there at 15,151. Same thing, gonna be watching this 1 hour squeeze right here. Maybe we can bounce. As far as any fibs, I mean, there to there, possibly, if we don't end up breaking that high. So if we zoom out to the weekly on NQ, I'm pretty sure, yeah, we blew through the fibs. No, I don't see any good rejections. Besides, let's see, 78.6 all the way up here, right? So, I would like a market pullback. Look at how overextended we are. Yeah, I mean, I literally do not see anything besides that 15,244. After that, it looks like it's pretty much a straight shot into 15,400. What is that? 23. Then there's also daily supply right here as well that we haven't tagged. So we can actually mark the beginning of that in case we start trading up into that area. Daily supply. Yes, sir. We're going to make that bread today. Boom. All right, so we got our daily supply over there. And I mean, that's everything I see on NQ. No good bounces as of now. We can take that low to high, but take a look at QQQ. What you guys thinking off of the PPI report today? Thinking we pump, dump, or CPI, whatever we got. Hold on, let me check. PPI, right? Yeah, PPI. What you guys thinking? We pump, dump, trade sideways? Let me know in the chat what you guys are thinking. But yeah, I mean, I would be interested at 357.5 if we really started pulling. We do have a double top up here at this 364.67. So if we can get that 1 hour squeeze, or if we get price to break above here and the 1 hour squeeze to fire up, we could see a continuation. Obviously, we want to know about 365. Mark that. But as far as anything else, I don't think there's fibs on QQQ that are in play. Okay, that one fib. But then after that, 375.66. So we weren't able to close above it yesterday. We're trading around it right now. I'd be interested to see if we fall back down below it. So let's go to a higher time frame. See if there's anything else on QQQ. I mean, that 362. After 365, we have this area up here. Pretty much around 370. So just mark it 370. That's the only area I see. And then bounces, we're going to have to wait till PPI. Maybe we can get a good one. Cool. All right, there's ES, SPY, NQ, QQQ. Good morning, Don. So let's take a look at some individuals while we're sitting here waiting. And then see if we like anything. Put it on the list if so. Oh yeah, this Apple actually looks really good today. Okay, I might trade Apple. If we can get the push, 183.6, go back for these highs over here. And then this high over here. So I like Apple. Let me pull up the DMs to myself. Also, I don't know if you guys saw yesterday, but last week was my 2-year anniversary in Team Bull. That's crazy. 2 years with all you guys. It's amazing. I appreciate all of you. But these next 2 years are going to be game changer. We are absolutely going to crush it. Hey, I appreciate it. I'm live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time for you guys. Give you all a completely free watch list for the day. Completely free. Honestly, Amazon, not too interested. I really want to see Amazon hit that 135. Boeing broke that 1 hour bull flag. Not really seeing any day trade setups on Boeing that I like. So we're going to skip over that one. Baba, don't care about. Coin. Don't really care about coin. Costco. Yeah, 2 years. Like the beginning of June 2021 is when I joined. Costco might actually come into play today. Above that 523.50. If we can get above there, I like that. $523.50. Then just aim for that upper trend line. Cool. Let's put Costco on there. Costco, Google. Smacked that 50% fib yesterday. Other than that, really don't care about it. IWM. So I do want to continue to watch this. IWM's been strong. So might just look for an uptrend entry on this. It's getting close to 190. Obviously, we want to pay attention to 190. Psychological resistance, but small caps have been pretty fire recently. Gonna look for a reject. Let's see. Yeah, 190 is literally going to be the area if we get up there for a potential reject. So, yeah, I wanna continue to watch this. Maybe get an uptrend entry. We can watch 190 for a possible reject, and then as far as bounces, no good bounces yet. So definitely want to continue to watch that. IWM. Let's say Meta. Kind of just looks like trying to form this rounding bottom. It kind of looks like a cup and handle on the 1 hour. Rounding bottom, slight pullback. Maybe we'll put that on the side. We'll see how it reacts to PPI. And let's start running our poll if people like the video. Did you like the video? Again, 200 likes is the goal. We got 262 people in here, only 120 likes. You guys want that watch list? You need 80 more. I know you guys can do it. But Meta, maybe. Microsoft. Not too interested, to be honest with you. Skip over that. I saw somebody asked about Netflix. Very strong to the upside. No good rejects. I just don't see a good setup. A setup that I like, at least. So I'm going to skip over that. NVDA. 414. Did we look at AMD? I think we did. Anyways, I mean, I'd be interested if it came back up, but as of now, not too interested. Yeah, did we skip AMD? Oh, no, we looked at it. So there's that. We looked at QQQ, Rivian. We're going to continue to keep an eye on this one. I didn't even day trade this. Rivian. Shopify, I don't really care about. Be interested if it pulled back to like 62. But nothing there. Snow has potential. Break above that trend line, it could get some potential to the upside. Would be interested in that. Aim for those up there. No. And then Tesla. Which literally has no good rejects. Take there to there. 276. 258, which is trading above. I mean, Tesla, it would be a bounce down here, but I see some better setups. Apple, Costco, IWM, Meta, Rivian, Snow. So we'll see with those. Good morning. No, we are not going to look at Adobe. I don't trade Adobe. And spamming it in the chat does not make me want to look at it. But Apple, Costco, IWM, Meta, Rivian, Snow. I do really like that Snow setup as well, especially if the market gets strong. So what's the break of like 174.25? So gonna wait for that. But we do have 5 minutes until PPI. So in the meantime, real quick, if you guys are not following me on Twitter, definitely make sure to do so. This is my Twitter right here. Drop a follow. It's completely free to do so. Drop some motivation, some education on there as well. So definitely make sure to do that. But we got 4 minutes. Any questions in the meantime? Yes, if you hit me up and you want a signed copy, or if you want a signed copy, hit me up and I got you. I only have Christmas editions here though. Besides my one blue book that I have. So just hit me up and I got you. Any questions while we're waiting for PPI? Drops in 4 minutes. I really only pay attention to like whole psychological areas of SPX, 4050, 4100, 4150, 4200, etc. And then somebody was talking about the Fed rate hike future. So this hasn't been wrong yet. It can be wrong, of course. Could be wrong today. But as of right now, 94.2% of participants are expecting us to get no rate hikes. I saw somebody saying that he's gonna hike the futures. I'm basing my decision based off of this because he doesn't like to surprise the market. Again, it's been right every single time since I've been using it. Now, if he surprises the market, obviously I don't think we're going to see a good reaction, especially because only 5% of participants or 6% of participants are expecting us to get a single rate hike. So I would be very interested if he did that. But as of now, my decision for FOMC is we are going to stay exactly where we're at right now. And then possibly going into the end of the year, we can start getting some cuts or stay around the same. GME, I'm watching the quarterly bull flag. That's the only thing I'm watching. I mean, it could be good, could be bad. It just depends on how the market digests it, to be honest. That's why I look at the news and then base my decision off the technicals. Two minutes. 2 minutes. Oh, I gotta pay my taxes tomorrow. Ugh. That sucks. Looks like we're taking out a fat withdrawal today. Anybody feel the pain? Anybody else got to pay taxes tomorrow? Actually, I got to pay them today. They're due tomorrow. Alrighty, we got less than 1 minute. Yes, I do have a video on how to set up the charts. Just type in Brandon Trades ThinkorSwim setup and it should pop right up. All right, 8:30. Let's see what are the numbers, and we'll see how the market reacts, and then we'll go from there. Hold on, still getting the numbers. They're slowly coming out. Okay, these are the two that I'm seeing right now. US PPI year over year, actual 1.1, forecast 1.5, previous 2.3, so way below forecast, way below previous. US PPI month over month actual negative 0.3%, forecast negative 0.1, previous 0.2. So below forecast, below previous. Looks like PPI numbers are good. See how the market reacts. Core PPI 0.2, 0.2, previous 0.2, right on the money. 2.8, forecast 2.9, previous 3.2. So well below the previous, forecast right below it. Cool. See how the market reacts. Give it a couple minutes. Whoops. And then we'll go from there. Yeah, tax day sucks. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. We got 340 people in here and 176 likes. You guys are super close to getting the watch list. Give it a couple minutes, digest the information, and then we'll go from there. Let's see if the fibs work again. Fibs have like always been smacking on these news events. We'll give it till like 8:34, 8:35, and then we'll start finalizing levels and seeing what we do like today. Just waiting to see what we end up doing. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of orders going through. Literally, there's like no orders. At least no aggressive orders. Cool. Well, somebody keep me updated if the market starts pumping or dumping. Here's our overnight lows. I mean, we did have a nice bounce right here. Okay, let's head on over to Spy. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed. I do go live every single morning at 8 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you're not subscribed, you are definitely missing out. But I'm not seeing any good fibs on SPY. The main one I would have liked was that overnight low to high. But really not seeing any good ones. Well, what are we supposed to do without some fibbies? We'll see. I mean, no good bounces today on my end. See if J-Donor and Grizzly have a good one, but not seeing anything good. No clear pivot low, pivot highs. Or actually, let's wait to put SPY and all that out. Let's narrow the list of the stocks that we like. I want to get my top like 1 to 2. So I really like Apple if the market is strong. So Apple, like Costco. Costco is you can watch Costco over the highs. IWM. I think that might be a side watch today. I like the 190 reject, 189.90, 190. So like that. Meta. It doesn't look bad. I like Apple more. So yeah, no Meta for me. Rivian. I mean, Rivian could be fun to trade if it can get the strength. $15.46, 15.7. Hold on. Where's that gap fill? Yeah, 15.46 to 15.7, 15.93, and then a nice gap fill. Looks like it's trying to flag here on the 1 hour, so that might honestly find its way onto the list today. And then snow. Let me look at the snow contracts. Let me see what the liquidity is looking like. Let's see, breakout would be around 174, so we want the 175s. Yeah, there's a decent amount of liquidity in there. Just depends on the spread, too. The spread is about 20 bucks wide, so like 6%. Or no, like 7-8% of what the contract's value is. So I mean, I do like that, and then we can watch these for rejects. So I think I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be hard to narrow the list down. I like Apple if the market's strong. I like IWM for a reject at 190. Let's see what SPY's doing. I'm just chilling. I'd say my favorite setup is if we clear these highs right here and get that 1 hour squeeze to fire up. So let's get Apple and Snow on the list. Rivian's going to be a side watch. Cool. Apple. We at 200 likes yet? No, we are not. Right on. There we go. Boom. Now we're at 200 likes. Liking this if the market gets strong. Break above the upper trend line for a continuation. Nice 1 hour squeeze as well. All right, so there's Apple, snow. Snow, same thing. Liking this if the market is strong. Looking for a break above the 1 hour trend line. If our trend line for a continuation. 1 hour squeeze. Awesome. All right, there is snow. QQQ is trading at that 1 hour and 21. I mean, if anything, QQQ has a better bounce than Spy does. Here to here. So I think I'll watch that. Cool, let's get QQQ. QQQ, watching the 1 hour squeeze. Bounces at 362.35 and 361.8. Higher probability. Above 364.7 with strength. I will look for the continuation. There's QQQ. Spy. I mean, I feel like Spy is going to hit the bounce. We're going to keep Spy on the side for the time being. I do want to see if it pulls back more. But everything else, there's a cleaner setup. So, I would be very interested in IWM if it does get up there, though. Let's take a look at RTY. Cool. Daily supply, 1944. Maybe. We'll see. I might actually choose IWM over Spy today. That is definitely a possibility. But yeah, I mean, everything right now, we're kind of just going to have to wait on QQQ and, or not QQQ, we're going to have to wait on Spy. I can't finalize levels on this one yet. But as far as what I'm liking, again, if the market gets strength, I like Apple. Can't actually watch Apple for a breakdown, but I prefer the breakout. So Apple, if the market gets strong, Snow, if the market gets strong, both of them break above the trend line, would be interested. And then, I mean, no good bounces on Spy, would be more interested in the crack. Above, sorry, I was going above 437.9. So that's what I'll watch there. QQQ, we got some good bounces, so can keep an eye on that. That's going to wrap up the watch list for today, everybody. So if you're in Team Bull, I'm going to update the watch list here in a little bit as the market gets a little closer to the open. But for the time being, before I drop the watch list, In case you guys did not know, I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Have over 700 plus videos on my channel teaching you on how to trade. Just dropped a fire Fibonacci video yesterday, so definitely make sure you guys check that one out. But tons of free education on this channel, so definitely make sure to utilize it. And also make sure to check out my book, The New Age Technical Analysis, on Amazon, using this link right here. If you're wanting to learn more about my overall strategy, you can find all of that information right there. Now, as far as the watch list, as always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. So first stock, Apple. Second stock, Snow. QQQ. I'd be a pretty good president if I say so myself. Pretty good president if I say so. But yeah, I mean, that's everything I'm going to be watching today, ladies and gentlemen. So anybody got questions before I hop off? Also, make sure to join Team Bull. If you're not in Team Bull and you're looking to trade live with me and a bunch of other amazing traders, definitely make sure you guys hop in. Hold on one second. Let me scroll up and get the link for you guys. But yeah, if you're not trading live with us, tons of education. I do daily trade recaps for you guys. Plus, you know, a bunch of just amazing education inside of Team Bull. Amazing trading community. Definitely make sure you guys hop in. That is the link right there. But any questions before I hop off? All right, Brandon, question. Let's hear it. Let's hear what you got. I mean, if I'm going to watch anything on IWM, it's probably going to be that 190 reject. If it breaks above 190, then I'm just looking for the uptrend continuation. Let's see. FOMC is at 2, and then Jerome Powell 230. $2 and 230. Do I think you're ready for the real deal? I hope so. Nothing on NVDA. Wasn't really liking it today. Oh, I didn't even see your question before that. My bad. Yes. Yeah. Put, again, when you start trading, just use... No, you can't be trading like that on paper trading. If you're going to be paper trading, you got to be using money that you would actually use on a real account. So not using 100,000. Yes, 2 EST. 2 p.m. Eastern time. 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. Of course. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure to hop in tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Let's run it up today. Let's make a bag. Other than that, I greatly appreciate you guys. I will talk to everybody tomorrow.